Hello everyone, as promised I have a flip through of this little journal that I have collected all kinds of the Your Creative Studio subscription box supplies in. So I have hand stitched with a pamphlet stitch here, and I just tied a cute little bow here, and I ended up here, which is different. Usually I have the end be, I start through the center and end through the center, so that's a little different the way I did that. And I put a knot of glue there so it doesn't untie. And then for the closure, I have some hand-dyed seam binding. I believe I used a Distress Oxide ink. I think I used spun sugar maybe on there, but it's a nice light pink color. And I have some eyelets holding that on either side. And you can see I already had this junk journal kind of constructed in a basic way. And then I have some of the supplies here, the handmade paper, a sticker, and a couple more stickers here decorating. So I'm going to untie this. Oh, I tied it really tightly. There we go. And then I just have it tied on here so it stays put. So you can see that eyelet there. Going inside, if you're familiar with Your Creative Studio, you may recognize this here is, I have all kinds of the little envelopes that I've saved that the stamps come in, etc. That's where that came from, and I'm using it as a pocket here on the back, or the front, sorry. This is some packaging from one of the supplies that came in the box. On the back here I have some collage paper from the box, and I've just stitched around the edge as a little accent there with my sewing machine. It's a nice snug fit there, and then of course there's more room here for tucking something else. Here's some more of that collage paper, the decorative tape, and then a label from the box. Then on this side we have some handmade paper and a sticker. This other paper was from my stash, you know, that everything that is, mostly everything that's part of the journal, like the stitched in papers, are from my stash and not from the box, as is this piece of cardstock. But the sticker here is from the box, and I just aged it a bit with some Distress vintage photo ink, and then I have some washi there and a sticker. This actually is that kind of brown packing paper sometimes you get, and it's real cute with the torn edge in there as a junk journal page. Sticker there from the box. Let's see. Oop. You can see it was from the December box, I think, with all the butterflies. This little piece of ephemera that's a tuck here was something I had in my stash. But this tag here is from the box, and again I just used vintage photo on the edges there. And then on this page, I think when I made the book, I actually made this journal, I used some of these collage papers that comes in the Your Creative Studio box. So those are from that. And then the sticker, of course, is from the box. And then there's another vellum sticker and another one from the box. And I even tucked in here a tag from the Your Creative Studio box. Then there's more of that decorative tape there and the washi. The doily is for my stash, but this is from the box, and this is from the box. And then these things were already in the journal. They were from my stash, but this tag here came from the box. And this from the box, and I just used my tiny attacher stapler to attach it there, so, you know, you can lift it up, do things. Then this vellum was a scrap from something I did with the box that came in, and I've just attached it here. I don't have anything tucked in there. I'm kind of hiding the back of my staples there too. And this dragonfly I already had in the journal. That was just an off die cut piece that I had in my stash, but these two papers are from the box. Then if you remember the kind of woodland themed box, that's where a lot of these things are from, the washi, the tag, and these two stickers. This was from probably a different box, but Your Creative Studio. And have some of the fairies here, and another fairy page there. This sticker I already had in my stash, so that's not from the box, but it is a vellum sticker similar to things we've gotten in the box. This vellum sticker was from the box, and this sticker was from my stash. But then these tags came in the box. They're tricky to get back in, so I'm not going to put them back in just now. But this is like some paper I had in a spray box, and so, but it's thin So that's why I think I put these vellum stickers. Again, this one was from my stash that I don't remember where I got that one, but it gives a little more strength to this page. And then these two little pieces are from the Your Creative Studio box. This is one of those vellum pieces. I just glued it right at the top there. And then that's a sticker paper scrap. Another vellum piece there. Washi. One of the butterfly stickers. These 3 tags came from the box. And then here's some of the washi from the sort of candle or light themed box. I'll show you these 3 tags. Okay, they're just going to stay out right now because I'm all butterfingers. And then this little embellishment here was all from my stash. And that was already in the journal that I'd made, but this tag is from the box. And this washi sticker is from the box. As well as this washi. All of these things are from the box. Even these 2 little pieces are scraps from the sticker paper. This is just a tuck at the top of the page on this one. More of the collage paper. I absolutely love this blue floral one. It's so pretty. And a vellum sticker. Postage stamp stickers. I don't think I have anything in here right now, but there's room. Another vellum sticker. Here's another, just a scrap of the collage paper, but those florals were so pretty in that one box. Here I have used this envelope. You'll probably remember seeing it. I'm getting all crooked here, sorry. But I just tore off the flap, and that's what's here making this tuck spot. And this lovely pattern you may or may not recognize as coming from a security business envelope. So that's a piece of junk I rescued from the recycle bin. This tag here I made out of the backer card packaging of a supply that came in one of the recent boxes. I don't have, the rest of it I have around here somewhere, but even on the back, the way I cut it, it doesn't even have any of the language, script, whatever, content information. So it's perfect for a little tag there. I didn't have to cover anything up. Again, this piece is also the same thing, the backer card for some stickers or, you know, something that came in the box. And I trimmed it down and rounded the corners. And here, I'll get real close so you can see what I'm talking about with when I say weird, random, the script stuff. Come on, camera, focus there. There we go. You see the barcode, and just a little bit showing doesn't bother me. But I do like to cover some of it up, and I just used one of those adhesive papers to do that. And then I have this open here kind of on the side and top so I can stick something larger in there, but it also has its pocket as well. So it's kind of a double tuck spot there. Collage paper, washi sticker, or vellum sticker, and again, that's the other side of that. Brown packing paper. This I just used a little piece of collage paper to knock back the original text, which folded up, it's kind of upside down. This piece here was just in my stash. It's a little card that's when coffee died. And then there's more of that lovely washi sticker paper, not washi, sticker paper. And then we have a couple of the stamp sticker thingies, not stamp, tag. I'm losing all my words. This piece here was just a piece of packaging card, and it's just plain white, so I used one of those large stickers that came in one of the boxes, and I trimmed it off a bit. I think I have, yeah. It was a little longer, so I just trimmed a little off and rounded the corners, and that makes a really nice tag there. And this is some book page that I just put at the end here to make a pocket. Here's that piece of paper label-like paper. And then these are, it's not stitched, but it is a stamp set that I have that kind of looks like stitching. And that is it. So it's a nice, cute junk journal made almost entirely, or I should say embellished almost entirely with Your Creative Studio box supplies, subscription supplies. So I'm starting to accumulate quite a bit, and this was a great way to use it, and I had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to do this again. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful creative day. Bye!